Our keg maintenance feature allows the brewer or keg washer to set a push notification every certain amount of fills to check for an acid wash or a seal check or a spindle check. So this is more or less a feature to set yourself reminders to maintain your keg fleet. If we were going to create a keg maintenance, like an acid wash, we would enter that information here. And then we can set a total number of fills. So let's say every 30 fills, we want an acid wash, and then it's your choice as the brewer to select when you want this push notification, whether dirty or clean. So we're going to select clean, and then we're going to make sure that the reminder is on, and then we're going to add that keg maintenance. We can click back into that keg maintenance, which is number 2 on the list there. So it says every 30 fills, clean with acid, and remind when we update the keg to clean. Once you scan a keg and it informs you need to set that keg aside for keg maintenance, you can then record it when the time is right, which would open the scanner and you would record the keg